Hi there, pretty excited about that one. I used that workflow on NA10 to getting pinged when I do have an answer on lemlist or any sequencer, really. And an AI auto drafts the answer, right? Which is pretty straightforward, but you need NA10 to use webhooks, right? Persistent webhooks, which Cloud Code unfortunately doesn't have yet. I mean, at the time I record that video, but probably it will change. Anyway, so this is the exact workflow that I use for my clients that I duplicate. And I thought that maybe I could, instead of respecting, following this set of instructions here, which are like, okay, I should enter credentials for my clients, API keys and stuff. I should just give it to Claude, right? And as you can expect, it works pretty well. So I guess I thought that I could open source it for everyone to use it. And I think it's really cool. So the flow basically does something really simple. It listens to lemlist events whenever we get an answer, then uses an AI node to draft an answer, and then post that to a Slack channel, like that, right? So this is my lead answer, and then it shows my draft. The draft shows up here. I can modify it or I can send it. And when I click, I will show you later, that is sent to my lead through lemlist, right? So that's the overall flow. And as you can see, we can duplicate it really easily with Cloud Code. So let me go there. So basically what I'm going to do here is the, where is it? Here, the repo that I will share with you. So there are two ways to use that workflow. You can either, like here, import the workflow.json, which is what I did here. I can show you that it's exactly the same. So import from file, that one, boom, right? So it's the exact same workflow. Okay, I should put that here so we can read. Yeah. And so the manual setup is basically just following these and entering whatever credentials we have to. Or what I can do is just copying these instructions and give them to Claude. Okay, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to copy that command and then paste it in my terminal. Okay, Claude is open. Apparently the installation is done. So I can just say, install, run the workflow, I guess. Do I already have a .env? No, I don't. Let's go through it as a blank state. So n8 base URL and n8 API key. Yes, let's go there together. So that's my workflow. The base URL is that. And then I can just go here, settings, API keys, create this to, I will rotate this and paste it. What else? Yes, create it. Cool, Slack. No, I didn't create the app. Let's do it together. So it gives me the instructions, right? So I'm going to go to apps and then copy the Slack manifest in the repo. So let's do that. Here you have the Slack app manifest. You can copy it. Then you go to your Slack here to create a new app. Going to create from a manifest. I select the right workspace, copy and paste it, right? Create, and that's it. Then it says install app. So I'm going to install app. Install. Yes, hello. Good. And here I have the bot user auth token that I can copy and give here. And what it also asks me is to give the channel where it will be sent. So here I created a dedicated private channel. So I'm going to just copy paste it there. Okay. Cool. So it fills in the .env file. What else? OpenAI, you guys know how to set up an API key. I will use that one. Pasting it there. And finally, the lemlist API key and the team name. So that I will find here. I'm in the integration panel, API and webhook. I can generate a key, test2, create a key, paste it there. And also I have to give the team. So that's the name of the team. Paste it. Company context for the AI draft to work. So I'm going to speak through that. My company is called Acme, and what we do is HR software, like AI-powered HR software for recruiters. It sources the best candidates in tech and product for companies in Europe. Everything's ready. Yes, I want to install it. Cool. So last step, paste this URL into your Slack app, interactivity and shortcuts. Yes, this is there. Okay, and I replace the placeholder, save changes, and boom, I'm done. So now I can test it. So this workflow here, like another one than the one that I previously created. So that one is the good and the right one, and it's already published, right? And as we can see, no error whatsoever. So it's ready to be tested. I can basically go to lemlist. Let me go there. So here, as you can see, I created a campaign, right? And I will send that message. Hello, Achille, do you want a demo? Best Jack. Gonna launch this and see what happens. Okay, so I just received the email. I can answer now as a lead, right? And say, hey there, yes, okay, I'm a nice lead, right? I'm gonna say that I want a meeting. I'd like to meet next week on Monday, whatever. Okay, and that's my answer. So let's see, we should now receive a Slack notification with that answer, right? And it did. As you can see here, I received the notification with the answer, so my answer, and it drafted some message. So I can either manage it myself, which means that the lemlist window will be open, or I can modify it and send it. So I'm available next week on Monday, and I would like, or Tuesday. Would be happy to and I want to remove that. Okay. Best regard, Jack. Send. And boom, the answer has been sent, which is pretty sick, right? I didn't have to open lemlist whatsoever. It's just done. So I hope you liked it. I will open source the repo. So as you can see, it's very simple to install. I mean, it's super simple to do it manually, of course, but Claude can basically do it for us, right? So yeah, let me know if you want to access the full workflow, and I'll be free to answer whatever, to answer your questions if you have any. Cheers!